Yes, hello. Good morning, my beautiful people. Hope you're doing well wherever you're watching this video from. Today, I want us to learn this simple troubleshooting technique. One of my friends he sent me a screenshot and he had a challenge. He told me, Sharif, whenever I try to load my website from localhost, it displays such kind of error that Flutter alert minimum execution time of 120 seconds exceeded. So he said, I've been following your videos, but I don't know why I'm getting such kind of error. So at this moment, I don't know, maybe you're also experiencing such issue. I'm going to show you a simple procedure on how to solve this kind of error whenever you're experiencing it. So as I'm waiting for the numbers to increase, those who are online, you can like, share with a friend such that we begin. So today we are going to get a solution to this type of error. We are going to see how to fix the error maximum execution time 120 seconds exceeded in PHP my admin. So in cases whereby you're experiencing this kind of error, you don't have to panic, because usually these are small issues to handle. So as you're going to see, when you want to solve this, it is very simple. What you do, because when you look at this line of statement, they're giving a direction, or they're anticipating that this error, it may be some of the files in local disk C in the folder of XAMPP need to be uh, updated, or you have to make some little changes. Well, so what you're going to do, let us begin. The first thing, what you have to do, you have to go to my computer. So I'm going to go to my computer. Remember, we want to go away with this error such that our website is able to load very well. So what you're going to do, you go to my computer. Some cases you may have, if it's Windows 10, the icon on your desktop, it might be this PC. So I'm going to click on this PC. Then I'm going to go to local disk C. So inside local disk C, when I click on it, it's going to open like that. So when it opens, I'm going to go to a folder of XAMPPs. I'm going to go to this XAMPP folder, as you're seeing. So I double click on the my XAMPP folder. After double clicking, I have to go to a folder of PHP. So I'm going to open my folder of PHP. So I also double click. So when you double click here, it's going to open our folder for PHP. So inside PHP, you're going to look for a file name called php.ini. So I'm going to press Ctrl F. Ctrl F, it's usually a find command because I don't want to take much time when I'm looking for it. So when I press Ctrl F, up here in the search panel, I'm going to write the file name because I need to find that file having php.ini. So once I press it, php.ini, I think this is our first the first file. It is the one I'm looking for. So once you get the file for php.ini, you're going to right click on it. You right click, then you open. When you right click and open, you're going to have this list. So under here, still you're going to press Ctrl F to find, because so you're going to type in max underscore then execution, max execution. So from here you're going to press find next. Wow, when you press find next, it's going to take you to this line of code where there is max execution time. And when we happen to go to our browser, when we try to run our website, it's displaying this type of error, and it's saying maximum execution time of 120 seconds is exceeded in local disk C. This is path for C. So what you're going to do, we are going to increase on the maximum execution time. So it was 120, I'm going to give it 300. So when I change the 300 to 120 and then I save my file, as you're seeing, I click on save and I go back to my browser and I try to refresh. So when you refresh, you're able to see that your website, it is now displaying very well. So guys, that's how we're able to troubleshoot such kind of error. Whenever you're faced with any kind of error when you're designing your WordPress website, you don't have to panic, because solutions, they are available on my YouTube channel. And in case you don't find the solution that you want, you just DM me. My email address is there and also my WhatsApp number. I'll be of help to see that the error you're having or anything you're having, it is solved there and then. So that's how you're able to solve such kind of error in WordPress. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. See you in the